The Social Security Organization, SOCSO, will launch an operation against errant employers starting November 1. The operation is aimed at protecting the welfare of employees who are entitled to the Employment Injury Insurance Scheme and the Invalidity Pension Scheme in the event of an accident at work, said SOCSO in a statement on Friday. It said errant employers could be charged under Section 3(1) of the Social Security Act 1969, which carries imprisonment of up to 2 years or a fine of up to 10,000 ringgit or both if convicted. A total of 6,127 employers were slapped with fines totaling 1.3 million ringgit in 2001 for failing to register their business and employees, as well as for the delay in reporting industrial accidents. Employers who have not registered can do so at any of the 46 SOCSO offices throughout the country, which are also open on Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. About 2 million private sector employees will be eligible for free medical checkups from the Social Security Organization, SOCSO. Human Resources Minister, Datuk Seri Dr. S. Subramaniam is expected to announce the mechanism for the health screening for SOCSO members today. The move will benefit workers if they contract any non-communicable diseases, like diabetes and hypertension, among other things. It will also spur the workers to be more aware of their health. The initiative, announced under Budget 2013 by Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Tun Razak, is targeted at SOCSO contributors aged 40 years and above. It is believed that the free checkups will be applicable to SOCSO members who are still working. It was reported that the federal government had allocated 19.3 billion for healthcare and management under Budget 2013, an increase of 2 billion ringgit from the last budget. Budget 2013 has allocated 200 million for SOCSO contributors to get free medical checkups. Other health initiatives include sugar and urine tests offered at One Malaysia clinics. SOCSO currently has some 6 million contributing members nationwide. Health Minister Datuk Seri Liatin Lai had expressed hope that the budget allocation for blood test screening and free health checks would help reduce non-communicable diseases by 10% to 20%. He had said that the funds would help in financing programs for the early prevention of such diseases. Unemployed graduates can attend a 6-week training program sponsored by the government and gain skills to get a job. The Graduate Career Accelerated Program, GCAP, which aims to improve the employability of unemployed graduates, is a skills upgrading training program designed to transform graduates into highly employable executives for the service industry. SICOM Education Group Chief Operating Officer, Jude Mohan said GCAP is conducted in English with special emphasis on improving graduates' oral skills. GCAP is sponsored by Talent Corp of the Prime Minister's Office, managed by my partner Sendirian Berhad and designed and delivered by SICOM Education Group. The SICOM Education Group has already trained over 4,000 people and has a successful job placement rate of 97%. Overworked employees can now grab some shut-eye in the office thanks to the creation of a bizarre sleep pod. The FLACC Workplace for Visual Artists in Genk, Belgium has had a custom-built, multifunctional pod called Verband Camera or Combined Chamber to help employees operate in a more critical and self-reflective way. This space, which was modeled after a piece of coal, contains 40 jigsaw-like modules which can be rearranged in minutes to create desks, sleeping bunkers and shelving, the Daily Mail reported. Verband Camera is designed to grow and shift with your needs, with the pieces fitting together like a giant puzzle, Nielsen Flugfelder, its creator, said. The odd creation has been likened to a nuclear bunker and Batman's cave. But however efficient it may seem to be able to grab some Z's at work, it may not be enough to help staff be productive. Research by the University of Texas Southwestern Medical Center found oversleeping on weekends can be the reason why people feel tired on Monday mornings or experience Monday blues. No one wants to miss opportunities for social activities on Friday and Saturday, so they use Saturday and Sunday mornings to rest up. Dr. Gregory Carter, who led the study, told Business Insider. Employers are shying away from disciplining incompetent or lazy staff for fear of being labeled a bully. Anecdotal evidence shows many managers are afraid to engage in performance management action due to fear of being labeled a bully. Workers' compensation agency Comcare told Herald Sun. Comcare has found the number of mental harm claims by federal bureaucrats has gone up 30% in Australia over the past 3 years, and payouts have soared to an unsustainable $46 million Australian dollars annually. Australian Prime Minister Julia Gillard ordered a national inquiry into workplace bullying, and the findings showed 1 in 3 workers has been sworn or yelled at, 6% have been assaulted or threatened, and about a quarter has felt humiliated in front of their peers. If you want to avoid claims of bullying made against you, you really should keep feedback very focused on objective data relating to the performance of the role or duties, said Jodhi Poor, founder of workplace law firm People and Amp. Culture strategies. Poor said when people are able to get away with poor behavior, substandard behavior becomes the norm. That's hardly conducive to high productivity and business performance, which ultimately leads to less job security for the employees, he said.